right, I'm here with the AC2A. I'm going to demonstrate some charging. I have it sitting on top of my AC300. I'm going to put the app up here after I plug in the cord here. It's on the AC300 because I got 24 volts available, so we can max out the solar input here. So I'm going to go through the various charging modes. Right now it is on standard. I'm going to change it to turbo so we see everything this guy can do. So there we're on turbo. I'm going to connect the solar, simulated solar. There you go. 200 watts of solar input. Now for fun, I will also connect wall power and we'll see what impact that does. So it steps up. Now we're at max 276. So that's on turbo. It is taking all the solar it can and then taking the rest from grid. Let me unplug solar. See what happens. $270 from grid. Now I will back down from turbo to standard mode. We'll watch the charging slow down. $134 watts. I will reconnect simulated solar. It steps up a little bit, but it didn't go all the way to 200. The charging modes actually impact both DC and AC charging. So I will unplug the grid. And you see we're still at 130 watts of solar. Now, I will go down to silent mode. And look at that, it slowed the solar all the way down to 80 watts. Despite having still 200 watts available to it, it slowed it down to 78 watts. So keep that in mind if you connect an AC2A to a larger solar panel. Pay attention to what charge mode you're in, because if you're only getting 70 or 80 watts out of your 200 watt panel and you're wondering what's wrong and pointing it all different directions, check your charge mode. So here I've reconnected AC power. Again, this is still in silent, so that kicked it up a little bit, but not a whole lot. Now let me put her back into turbo. Watch that all take off. Of note there, it does definitely prefer the solar, but it is still taking some from grid because turbo is 270, so there's a little bit overhead left that's not available from solar. But when I put it in standard, it throttles it back, but it divides it up a little bit. It's taking some from grid. I would imagine it should take everything from solar, but it's not. It's taking some from grid, even throttled. I find that peculiar. All right, thank you all.